What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing our 7-month update for our affiliate marketing case study authority website. Now, this month was kind of tricky for us because we ran into a little issues with the Google update on September 23rd, and it affected some of our rankings, and I'm going to go into that a bit later in this video. But obviously, I'm going to share our traffic numbers, what we've been doing, our link building, and of course, our revenue and expenses. Before I dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel to make sure you're notified about the next affiliate marketing case study update. Let's dive in. So I'm going to get right to it. So this month was a little different, I would say, because it was the first time that our traffic actually contracted. So we've been building this website. We've been actively building this website for about 7 months now. And on September 23rd, Google released an update. And this update negatively impacted a few of our key pages, some pages that we had actually been working on in the past. So it's not as if they left the search engines, but they did drop rankings. So that affected our traffic a bit. So this month we had roughly 1,818 visitors. And of course, the majority of that traffic, roughly 87%, came from search engines. And if you compare that to last month, compared to previous period, apply. So if you compare that to last month, we actually had a dip of 5%, almost 6%. And that actually didn't come from our organic search traffic reducing. That actually came from different traffic avenues giving us less traffic. And that's due to the fact that we didn't build as many links this month, because I was taking a little bit more slowly because of the fact that some of our key rankings were tanking. But even though some rankings were tanking, some were actually going up. So it kind of balanced itself out. But I decided to take a more cautious approach. I did not stop building links entirely. I just slowed down a bit so that we could watch and see how those efforts were affecting our overall growth trajectory. As you can see from here, direct traffic, basically anything that Google doesn't really understand, gets lumped in there, and it dropped by 45%. So in reality, this is more than likely our referral traffic that we would get from building links. It reduced by 45% because we were very, very active in the last month, which is checking the video up there. And then referral traffic is also basically the traffic you get from being mentioned online or building links. And that dropped by about 26%. And social traffic, well, we don't really focus on social media, so that dropped as well. And then other drops completely. We didn't have any traffic grouped into the other category. But all in all, based on the amount of traffic or the amount of keywords that dropped, we didn't actually lose any keywords. We actually gained keywords, which I'll show you in a bit. So the amount of traffic that we had stayed pretty consistent, all things considered. All right, our organic traffic still improved month over month, but this time we didn't get anywhere near our target of increasing by about 30 to 50% month over month. So that's a bummer, but I do believe it'll pick up by the next time I'm making one of these videos, because we're actually already seeing a bit of a recovery in those rankings that dropped, and other pages are starting to rank well in the search engines also. This is our data within Ahrefs. So our domain rating stayed at 53. Last month we had a domain rating of 53. This month we still have a domain rating of 53. And the higher your domain rating is, the more difficult it is to improve it. So I'm not actually surprised that the domain rating stayed the same. And even though we still built a few links, we didn't build very many links. So referring domains went from 175 to 192. That's just under 20 new referring domains. And organic keywords actually jumped by 400. Last month it was 1,100, and this month is 1,500. And as you can see, we're still improving. And our organic traffic actually improved over last month. Last month it was about 650, and this month is 683 according to Ahrefs. But you and I both know that it's closer to like 1,600, 1,700, which is about times 3 rather of what Ahrefs is showing, or let's say 2.5. But the value of our organic traffic reduced because some key pages, some keywords from a few key pages actually dropped in the search rankings. So it was replaced by other key terms that aren't actually as valuable. So it's important to note that different key terms have different amounts of value to your business, to your affiliate website. So it's important to really prioritize those ones that can produce income. So if other people are bidding on those key terms, that means that they have value and they could probably make you a sizable income. Something to keep in mind there. So all in all, that's really it for this update. We built links and we created more content, and that's what we're going to continue to do for the next 6 months, the next year, the next 5 years, whatever the case may be. So nothing special there. I just wanted to give you this quick update to show you what we're doing and show you how we're reacting to Google search updates. Really, we're not doing anything black hat, so we don't need to change our strategy very much. All we need to do is kind of spread out the links to a few more pages as opposed to key pages, because those are the key pages that were affected. Google is trying to play psychological mind games with this, but I'm confident those pages will bounce back. We're just going to continue to build links, but slow down a bit on building links to those key pages. And in addition to that, we're still pumping out content, and that's why our traffic didn't actually reduce, because since we're pumping out so much content, low competition, higher volume content is actually taking over from where we lost traffic all those times. And our revenue has actually stayed the same. I was hoping that we would hit $1,000 a month by this point, but we haven't. But our revenue is about between $100 and $200 every single month, and it's been like that. And our revenue is at about $100 to $200 every month, and it's been like that for the past few months. So we're kind of at a plateau there. But once these new articles that we're writing start ranking, we'll definitely start seeing the revenue associated with that. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next affiliate marketing update.